second. I need to put my hat on.
All right, now shake low. Good job. All right, can you shake like this? Woo! All right, are we ready to dance around the room? Let's go. Do a crazy walk. Oh, yeah. Good job.
Whoa! Down she went.
Okay, now everybody go to this side, where Ruby is. Go to Ruby's side.
Oops.
Let's go. Woo! Okay, here we go. All right, can we bounce? Let's bounce a little. Can we bounce? Good bouncing. Bounce. Good bouncing. All right, are we ready? We're going to jump to the other side. Here we go. Jump, 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 jump. Good job.
Not yours, sweetie.
All right, now come jump over here. All right, now we're going to go to the other side, and we're going to skip to the other side. Are we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! All right, let's make a circle. Very good. All right, we're going to walk in the middle of the circle. Are you ready? And then we're going to shake our scarf. Here we go. Come out. Okay, let's go back in. Okay, come back out. I think we need to do that one more time. What do you think? Let's go. In.
Not yours.
All right, come back out.